Let's learn how to flash the camera light as notification light. When we receiving notifications on this mobile, we can enable this flash notification option. Let's learn how to enable this feature. Go to mobile settings, scroll down this page and go to accessibility option. Click on advanced settings. In here, click on this flash notifications option. You can see the preview camera flash notification. In here, you can enable this camera flash notification option. After, you can click on this preview button. Now you can see the preview. When we receiving a notification, the camera light flash like this. If you like this feature, you can enable this camera flash notifications option. In here, you can select all applications as you like.